Hey guys, as a business owner, you have to be self-confident and you can't allow to be shy. Now, very often people are shy, and I used to be shy as well. And I compiled a couple of tips here in this short video on how I overcame that and how I'm still training myself, because I'm still in training. So the first thing you can do is actually you can do videos, and that helps, like scripted videos, because that gives you self-confidence and you can retry and over again. Don't do that too long because you might get stuck on it. The second thing you actually could be doing is Facebook Lives, or on any other platform, a live video is very effective because it gives you the feeling that somebody is listening, and very often you might know that person or you might not know that person. But believe me, when you go live, very often there's nobody watching you. But the feeling is still the same like you go on stage. And going on stage and speaking to people is an essential as a business owner. It doesn't have to be center stage, but you have to talk to your suppliers, you have to talk to your employees, and all of them will judge you, right? And you will feel judged. So that are a couple of ways on how to overcome that. And then one thing, if you then change, you can upgrade yourself to non-scripted videos like this one or all my other videos. They're usually unscripted, and I remember all of the points I want to talk about, but it took me about, I would say, 1,000 videos to get to that point, and I'm still learning. And the reason why I'm doing this video outside is because I realized that while I'm good at doing videos at home or at the workplace, where I can make sure I'm not disturbed, it's a very strange feeling if you do videos on the outside and other people are watching you, or you think they are watching you. In fact, most of them are ignoring you and they don't even pay attention, but in your head it's a total different ball game. So I just wanted to make that very quick video for today's vlog and just let you be part of that journey, and I hope you take some of those tips with you guys. Cheers!